Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package which will return the domain who is information about a specific domain. If you want to get when the domain was purchased, when the creation date, registration, who is the person who registered the domain, every information you can get for completely free. You don't need to use any API. You can use this Python package which is domain validation. So let me show you this third-party package here. So first of all, you just need to install this package. So the package name is domain underscore validation. So this is actually the package. Simply install this package by executing this command here. I've already installed it, and this actually returns you the creation date and registrar of the domain, the WHOIS data. So let me show you a very simple example. So let me just show you step-by-step script right here. So first of all, just make a simple app.py file, and right here we will import the JSON module, and then from this third-party module domain validation, it contains this whois method, and from this we need to import this class whois, and after that we will define a function which will find this data. So here we just need to define an array of domains. So here you can provide your domain names for which you need to get the data. So you can see I've defined google.com, freemediatools.com. In this way you can define multiple domain names. So after defining the domain names, we will simply call a simple custom function which we will make. So get whois info, and here we'll be passing the domain for domain in domain. So we are simply running a for loop to this array. For each domain name, we are calling this function get whois info and passing this domain name. And then now we just need to define this custom function which will be returning this data to us. So we'll just define this function get whois info, and we'll receiving this domain name as an argument, and right here we'll be getting this whois and passing this domain, and after that we will be returning this object, JSON object, which will contain three properties. First of all, the domain name. Secondly, we will be getting the creation date, when the domain name was registered. So you can easily get this by using this function creation date. The third property will be the person who registered this domain, registrar, and you can easily get this by this function which is registrar. So we can get all these three details. You can even get the expiration date as well. So all these four properties we can store it inside this JSON object. After that we are simply returning this, as you can see, this JSON object. So now we just need to store this information in a JSON file. So we will open this result.json file. So here we will be storing all this information, and defining this encoding which will be UTF-8, and then we'll be dumping all this data and then printing out a statement which is done. So that's all. Let me execute the Python script. So if I execute this, you will see on the left hand side a JSON file will get created. So it is saying that whois object has no attribute expiration date. Sorry, this expiration date is not available. So just, I think this we are calling a expiration. No, so expiration date is not available. So this attribute is not available. So let me run the script once again. You will see it will create this JSON file here, result.json. And if I try to open this, you will see for each domain name, this will be the domain name, creation, which when the domain name was firstly purchased. So you can see for google.com it was 15 September 1997. Who was the registrar? This is a company who purchased it. Secondly, we come to this domain name freemediatools. This is your creation date, registrar, and then we got the Facebook creation date, then we got reddit.com. So in this easy way, you can get all this useful information, the WHOIS info of any specific domain using this Python package for completely free. You don't need any sort of API key. So this is a great thing about this package. You can do this for completely free. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.